Welcome, dear seekers, to a journey inward, a gentle exploration of our highest spiritual center, and a crystal ally that can illuminate its path. Today, we delve into the profound wisdom of the crown chakra and the ethereal energy of selenite. This understanding is a gift for anyone walking a spiritual path, whether you are a seasoned yogi, a curious crystal enthusiast, or just beginning your meditation practice. Our exploration begins with the crown chakra, known in Sanskrit as Sahasrara, meaning thousand-petaled. This vital energy center is located at the very top of your head, serving as the apex of your energetic system. It is the seventh and final chakra, completing the energetic rainbow within us. The crown chakra represents our deepest connection to the divine, an unbreakable link to the universal consciousness that permeates all existence. It is through this sacred gateway that we access higher consciousness and experience profound spiritual understanding. Sahasrara fosters an undeniable sense of unity with all things, reminding us that we are never truly separate. It is often considered the ultimate gateway to enlightenment, guiding us toward our highest spiritual potential. When your crown chakra is balanced and open, you experience a profound sense of peace that transcends worldly concerns. This openness promotes deep wisdom, allowing you to perceive truths beyond the ordinary. Your intuition is enhanced, guiding you with clarity and insight. Most importantly, an open crown chakra cultivates a deep and unwavering sense of purpose, aligning you with your true spiritual calling. Conversely, a blocked or imbalanced crown chakra can manifest in challenging ways. You might experience feelings of isolation, a profound sense of being disconnected from others and the world. This imbalance can lead to cynicism, making it difficult to trust in the goodness of life or the universe. Confusion may cloud your thoughts, hindering your ability to find clarity or direction. Ultimately, a blocked crown chakra results in a painful disconnect from your spiritual path, leaving you feeling lost or uninspired. The health of your crown chakra is crucial for your overall holistic well-being, impacting every aspect of your existence. An open Sahasrara allows you to tap into your inner wisdom, a wellspring of guidance residing within you. It enables you to experience life with greater clarity, seeing beyond illusions and embracing truth. Cultivating this connection contributes significantly to a more meaningful and spiritually enriched life, guiding you toward your highest self. Now, let us turn our attention to a remarkable crystal, selenite, known for its ethereal beauty and powerful energetic properties. Selenite is a translucent, often pearly white mineral, a delicate form of gypsum. Its name is derived from the Greek word for moon, a fitting tribute to its luminous glow and gentle, reflective qualities. Selenite is renowned for its exceptional ability to cleanse and purify energy, making it an indispensable tool for spiritual work. It effortlessly clears blockages within the energy field, allowing life force to flow freely. This crystal is particularly effective for clearing crown chakra blockages, gently dissolving any resistance to higher connection. By promoting a free flow of energy, selenite facilitates a deeper and more profound connection to the divine. Beyond its cleansing abilities, selenite possesses advanced energetic properties that make it truly unique. It acts as a powerful amplifier of energy, enhancing the effects of other crystals and intentions. This makes it an excellent tool for meditation, helping to deepen your practice and quiet the mind. Selenite aids in visualization, making it easier to manifest your desires and connect with your inner vision. It facilitates accessing higher states of consciousness, gently guiding you toward expanded awareness. Selenite possesses an inherently high vibrational frequency, which naturally elevates your own energetic state. This high vibration promotes clarity of thought, helping you to discern truth and gain perspective. It significantly enhances intuition, allowing you to trust your inner knowing more deeply. Selenite can also facilitate communication with spirit guides and your higher self, opening channels for profound spiritual guidance. It helps to quiet the incessant chatter of the mind during meditation, creating a serene space for inner exploration. This allows for a deeper connection to your inner voice, your true wisdom, Ultimately, working with selenite fosters a greater understanding of your unique spiritual journey, illuminating your path forward. Selenite has been revered across various cultures throughout history, its gentle power recognized by ancient civilizations. It was utilized for its perceived healing properties and its remarkable ability to connect with celestial realms. The ancients understood its profound spiritual significance, valuing it as a bridge between the earthly and the divine. This luminous crystal holds a strong association with the moon, reflecting its gentle, intuitive energy. Its reflective qualities link it directly to intuition, mirroring the inner wisdom that resides within us. Selenite is deeply connected to psychic abilities, helping to awaken and refine these innate gifts. It aids in the exploration of the subconscious mind, bringing hidden truths and insights to the surface. In contemporary spiritual practice, selenite remains a popular choice for deepening one's spiritual journey. It is widely used for clearing negative energies from spaces, objects, and even the aura itself. This crystal cultivates a stronger connection to our higher selves, reminding us of our divine essence. Selenite supports a journey of profound self-discovery, guiding us to understand our true nature. It facilitates significant spiritual growth, helping us to evolve and expand our consciousness. Ultimately, incorporating selenite into your practice contributes to a more fulfilling and meaningful life, rich with spiritual insight and connection. Integrating selenite into your daily spiritual practice can profoundly support crown chakra activation and overall well-being. There are many simple yet powerful ways to work with this remarkable crystal. Placing selenite directly on the crown of your head during meditation can create an immediate and palpable connection. This direct placement helps to open and align the Sahasrara, inviting divine energy to flow. You can also hold a selenite wand or palm stone in your hands during meditation. This practice helps to amplify your intentions and create a sacred, energetic space. Simply having selenite in your meditation space can elevate the vibrational frequency of the entire area. Its presence creates an atmosphere conducive to deep spiritual work and inner peace. For those seeking to enhance their sleep and dream recall, placing a piece of selenite near your bed or under your pillow can be incredibly beneficial. This practice helps to purify your energetic field while you rest, promoting more restful sleep. It can also facilitate clearer dream states and enhance your ability to remember and interpret them. Selenite's gentle energy supports a peaceful transition into the dream world, opening channels for spiritual messages. Selenite is also an excellent tool for cleansing other crystals and your aura. To cleanse other crystals, simply place them on or near a larger piece of selenite for several hours or overnight. Selenite's self-cleansing properties mean it never needs to be energetically cleared itself. To cleanse your aura, gently sweep a selenite wand around your body from head to toe without touching your skin. Visualize any stagnant or negative energy being lifted away, leaving you feeling refreshed and clear. This practice helps to maintain a vibrant and healthy energetic field. Creating a crystal grid with selenite as the central stone can amplify its energy and direct it towards specific intentions. You can also wear selenite as jewelry, keeping its high vibration close to your energetic field throughout the day. This constant connection helps to maintain an open crown chakra and a clear mind. Placing selenite in your home or workspace can purify the environment, creating a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere. Its presence helps to clear any lingering negative energies, promoting a sense of calm and clarity. Now let us embark on a guided meditation to activate your crown chakra with the gentle assistance of selenite. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, where you will not be disturbed. If you have a piece of selenite, you may wish to hold it in your hands or place it gently on the crown of your head. Close your eyes softly and take a deep cleansing breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your belly rise. Exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any tension or worries. Take another deep breath, allowing your body to relax more deeply with each exhalation. Feel yourself settling into this moment, fully present and at peace. Bring your awareness to the top of your head, to the location of your crown chakra. Imagine a beautiful, luminous lotus flower resting there, its petals tightly closed. As you breathe, visualize this lotus slowly beginning to unfurl, petal by petal. With each gentle breath, feel a soft, pure white light emanating from this sacred space. This light is your connection to the divine, to universal consciousness. If you are holding selenite, feel its gentle, high-vibrational energy flowing into your hands, up your arms, and into your entire being. If it is on your crown, feel its pure energy directly opening and activating your Sahasrara. Allow this pure white light to expand, growing brighter and more expansive with every breath. Feel it radiating outwards from the top of your head, enveloping your entire body in its peaceful glow. As the light expands, feel any tension, any doubt, any sense of separation dissolving within its embrace. You are connected, whole, and deeply loved. Allow yourself to feel this profound sense of unity with all things, a oneness with the universe. You are a part of something vast and magnificent. Breathe into this feeling of connection, of divine wisdom flowing through you. Affirm to yourself, silently or aloud, "My crown chakra is open and balanced. I am connected to divine wisdom. I am one with the universe." Feel the truth of these words resonating within your very core. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body and the space around you. Take a final deep breath, carrying this feeling of peace and connection with you. Slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed, clear, and deeply connected. The journey of spiritual growth is continuous, and integrating the wisdom of the crown chakra and the support of selenite into your daily life is a beautiful practice. Make conscious efforts to connect with your spiritual self throughout your day. This could be through moments of quiet reflection, mindful breathing, or simply acknowledging the divine presence in all things. Regular meditation and mindfulness practices are key to maintaining an open and balanced crown chakra. Even a few minutes each day can make a profound difference. Continue to work with selenite in ways that resonate most deeply with you. Whether it's through meditation, wearing it, or placing it in your environment, allow its gentle energy to support your spiritual journey. Remember, the crown chakra is your gateway to higher consciousness, your direct link to the divine. Selenite is a powerful ally in keeping this gateway clear and vibrant. By nurturing this connection, you invite greater peace, wisdom, and purpose into your life. Embrace this journey with an open heart and a clear mind. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. May your path be filled with light, wisdom, and profound connection.